Let's suppose I am your competitor. Now what will you do? You will go to Facebook Ads Library. Now if you don't know what is Facebook Ad Library, then what will you do? You have to go Google and search for Facebook Ads Library. Then you have to search for the name of your competitor. After then you will get the result. You will find out the ad running by your competitor. From this page your real work start. Now if you find out that any ad of your competitor is running more than 1 month, then you have to choose this because it's working, as they are investing money on this ad just because they are getting profitable through this ad. That's why they are still spending their budget on this ad. Now what will you do? Select any 4 or 5 of your competitors. After then go to ads library and check their ad copy and download it. Obviously you have to select 4 or 5 ads from each of your competitors. You have to select the best one. Then go to Google and search for video to text converter. You will get there many free tools. What will you do now? Upload the video which you have downloaded previously or give the link which you have collected from your competitor ads. This will give the whole script of your competitor ad. Let's suppose now you have 5 or 10 proven ad script. Now what will you do? Go to ChatGPT and write the text. My product name is XYZ and these 10 scripts are working very well. Now analyze and give me 10 to 15 reasons why they are working. After then paste your 10 scripts. ChatGPT will give you 10 to 15 pointers like hook, clarity, offers and other details. After taking these 10 to 15 pointers, now you have to go to Claude and tell, I have analyzed the top 10 ads and I got these 15 common elements. My product is XYZ. Use these 15 elements and give me 10 new ad scripts. Now Claude will give you 10 high performance ad scripts. Run this on your ads and repeat the process. Thanks for watching.